Several people who are afflicted by the uncomfortable and unsightly condition of the skin called acne are searching for remedies that will help them to control their acne. Many people are trying to find remedies that are readily available, risk-free, effective and inexpensive. The use of apple cider vinegar for acne care fulfills all of these requirements. Vinegar produced from apple cider is a totally holistic and natural product which is extracted from apple puree which have been fermented. Apple cider vinegar carries several nutrients which are vital to the good health of the body and the skin. A few of these are iron, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, fluorine, sodium, sulfur, chlorine and copper. Using apple cider vinegar for acne control and removal is very effective by reason of the antibacterial substances that it contains. Instead of using strong antibiotics, you can try using apple cider vinegar to deal with many skin conditions such as acne. When making use of apple cider vinegar for acne, it can be used as a topical treatment to kill acne bacteria and also be taken orally as a cleansing tonic. Making use of apple cider vinegar in the form of a topical antibacterial solution can help control acne in 3 different ways. It helps in drying up surplus sebum oil that can clog up pores in the skin that encourage acne to form. It is effective at destroying acne, the bacteria which is responsible for causing acne infections. It also balances the skin's pH factor so that it is more resistant to infections and healthier. To prepare an apple cider vinegar for acne topical solution, people need the vinegar and pure distilled water which you can get at your nearest grocery store. 1 portion of apple cider vinegar needs to be diluted with 4 parts of water to make the topical solution. Make use of a clean piece of gauze or a cotton ball to apply the solution to the parts of the face and body which are infected with acne. Leave the solution on for approximately 10 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Repeat this procedure 3 times per day. Those who have an acute form of acne infection can try leaving the solution to stay overnight and washing it off next morning. For severe acne, the dilution proportion of apple cider vinegar can be reduced. Nevertheless, it needs to be done carefully and gradually over a couple of applications. You can even try using undiluted form of apple cider vinegar, but it is not recommended for those who have sensitive skin. When using fuller strengths of the topical solution, don't allow the solution to remain on your skin overnight because the astringency of the vinegar could overdry the skin. It is recommended to use the most diluted form of the topical apple cider vinegar for acne solution first and then gradually increase the strength if necessary. It is normal for this solution to cause the skin to tingle, that shows that it is functioning effectively. If in case you feel any burning sensation, the solution should be washed off and be sure that you use a more diluted form next time. Besides using the apple cider vinegar solution for acne cure, it is very important carry on with a regular routine of personal hygiene where you need to keep your skin clean and dirt-free. Apple cider vinegar carries astringent properties that can dry out the skin while fighting acne infections. It is recommended that a non-oily moisturizer be applied after each topical application of vinegar.